What is going on, guys? Mase The Barber coming back to you with yet another video. And before we hop into this video, let me change something up real quick. That's more like it. As you guys can tell, I just got a new camera. I don't have the adapter yet to be able to put my nice lenses on it, but it's on the way, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna have even better quality than what it is right now. And yeah, today we're gonna be doing a Q&A. I posted on my Instagram earlier today to ask me some questions, so if you guys aren't following me already on my Instagram, go ahead and do that. I'm really active on my Instagram, and you guys could, ask me some questions for the next Q&A. But without further ado, let's hop straight into those questions. All right, so question number one is, how did you know that this was a career path that you wanted to follow? I feel like being a barber is a super cool job that anyone would want to do. And I've always been interested in getting my haircut and watching haircut videos. And also, like, I'm a super social person. I like interacting with others, and that's basically all this job is it's not really about the haircut, it's about the whole experience in a way. So I feel like that's why it suits me. And also I like kind of being my own boss in a way. And with barbering, if you have to take a week off of work because of something, you can, it's not good for your clients and all that, but it's a flexible job. And also I'm a firm believer in everything happens for a reason, so if you guys haven't seen my video on how I started to cut hair, but when that first opportunity came for me to hold the clippers and do a cut, I did it. And I feel like if that wouldn't have happened, I wouldn't have been where I am today. So I feel like that happened for a reason. And yeah, that's why I know that this career path is the one I want to follow. All right, so question number two is, what keeps you motivated to work hard, whether it's at the gym or at work, etc.? The way I see it is, put the work in now, relax later. So I really want to grind as hard as I can right now, so that in a few years, talking 15, 20 years, I could, relax and do all the fun things in life that I want to do. But yeah, I'm also very competitive, so I always want to better myself, be the best version of myself that there is. So that's what keeps me motivated, just to grind for my future, basically. All right, so question number three is, what is your favorite haircut to give? So if we're talking like hairstyles, definitely a skin fade. And then if it's like a taper or a straight fade around the head, definitely the straight fade. I'm not a big fan of doing the tapers. I'd way rather do a straight fade. I find those just way cleaner, and they're more fun to do, in my opinion. Either it's a comb over, undercut, or like something that I have right now, just straight fade that goes all the way around your head. But yeah, I'm also really good at that, so that's why it's kind of my favorite thing to do. All right, so question number four is, do you watch anime? No, I don't. I've never really been big on anime. I remember in like 7th grade I tried starting it, but it's never really stuck around. All right, so question number five is, was being a barber your dream job? And honestly, no, it wasn't. Until about 3 years ago, I really wanted to be a hockey player, wanted to play in the NHL. But as you get older, you realize how hard it is to make the NHL, and yeah, it just sadly became just a dream. But yeah, once I figured out that, okay, I'm not going to be able to go there because it was either too expensive or I didn't want to move away, I really focused on cutting hair. But yeah, was being a barber my dream job? No, it wasn't. All right, so question number six is, do you have any other passions other than cutting hair? And yeah, like I said before, hockey is one of them. I still play hockey, but just for fun. Can't play right now, because of the whole virus situation, but hockey is one of them. The gym, I love like bodybuilding and weightlifting and all that. Half of the time what I'm watching on YouTube is gym videos. And another thing is motorcycles. It's been like 2 years now I've been really big on motorcycles. I really want a motorcycle. So I signed up for my motorcycle class. I will be taking that this summer. So I'm gonna be introducing that into the vlogs, kinda. But hold up, let me show you guys something. Bam. Yes, sir. So I got my helmet, I got my gloves, so when riding season comes around the corner next summer, or this summer coming up, I'm gonna be doing the classes, and then hopefully not this summer coming up, the one after, I'll be able to get my own bike. But yeah, those are my other passions. All right, so question number 7 is, what is the goal of all of this? And I'm guessing he means like, why am I doing YouTube? And honestly, it's to influence a younger generation of barbers. You know, I want to motivate them to hop behind the chair, start cutting. If that's really what you want to do, I want to influence them to do that. Also, I want to make the videos that I wish I had. So I feel like barbers, they focus on like the hair cutting aspect, but I want to show like the barber lifestyle. So once this whole virus thing stops, I'm going to be doing a lot more vlogs showcasing that off. And yeah, I also want to bring YouTube to where it could be a second job for me, because I love filming and I love editing videos. So, you know, why not be paid to do so? But yeah, that's pretty much the goal. I obviously have others, you know, the sky's the limit, but that's what I could think of right now. All right, so question number 8 is, where do you see yourself in 5 years? And honestly, this was a hard question, but hopefully I want to be a known barber. I want to be kind of like a celebrity barber, to where a celebrity could just call me. Someone like Lil Baby calls me, yo, I need you in LA tomorrow night. Okay, pack up my bag, sends me on a flight, go over there, cut his hair, come back. And I want to be at least charging $100 for my haircuts, because I know in 5 years my haircuts are definitely going to be worth at least $100. So yeah, I want to be a known barber, celebrity barber, and charging at least $100 for my haircuts. All right, and the last question is, do you ever want to open your own barbershop? And I'm not sure, honestly, probably not, because I want to be like a celebrity barber where I'm like flying from city to city cutting people's hairs. But you know, if the case is that I have my own shop, I have other barbers working there and I work there from time to time, you know, I'd be down if I just owned it. But honestly, probably not. All right, so that's gonna be it for the Q&A. Didn't get too many questions, so go follow me on Instagram. The link's gonna be in the description below. So yeah, you guys will know the next time I'm gonna be doing a Q&A, and you guys can ask your own questions. Leave a comment down below if you guys have any video ideas, if you guys are new, what you guys want to see. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.